Are you constantly finding yourself distracted, struggling to focus on important tasks, and unable to resist the allure of instant gratification activities? In today's modern world, we are bombarded with endless distractions that can hijack our brain's reward system and lead to procrastination and reduced motivation for meaningful pursuits. But fear not, Dopamine Detox, a short guide to remove distractions and get your brain to do hard things by Thibaut Maurice is here to help you regain control over your focus and productivity. The key concept behind this book is understanding dopamine, the neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure, motivation, and habit formation. When we become overstimulated by constant distractions like social media and gaming, it can lead to addiction-like behaviors that hinder our ability to focus on challenging or rewarding long-term goals. Have you noticed a lack of focus, reduced motivation, and a tendency to seek immediate gratification through unproductive activities? These are all signs of overstimulation. So how can we reset our brain's reward system and find pleasure and motivation in meaningful tasks again? Enter the detox process. Intentionally abstaining from high dopamine activities, such as social media and binge watching, for a period of time allows our brain to reset and rebalance. This paves the way for reclaiming focus and productivity. But how do we practically implement this detox? The book provides practical steps to guide you on your journey. Start by identifying the dopamine-draining activities in your life. These are the activities that give you an instant boost of pleasure, but leave you feeling drained and unproductive in the long run. Replace these activities with low dopamine alternatives that are meaningful and fulfilling, such as journaling, walking, or reading, as you gradually reintroduce pleasurable activities. Do so in moderation. This allows you to find a balance between instant gratification and long-term fulfillment. Techniques like time blocking and mindfulness can help you maintain focus and resist the temptation of distractions. By engaging in this detox process, you are not only reclaiming your focus and productivity, but also building discipline and resilience. Training your brain to resist instant gratification and prioritize productive actions cultivates self-discipline and strengthens your ability to stay on track with your goals. In conclusion, Dopamine Detox, a short guide to remove distractions and get your brain to do hard things, is all about breaking free from the cycle of distraction and regaining control over your life and productivity. By reducing overstimulation, you can restore balance to your brain's reward system and better focus on meaningful and challenging pursuits. So why wait? Take the first step towards reclaiming your focus and achieving your long-term goals by picking up this life-changing book today.